Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Raquel Senit, 43 years old from Agoola, Union, Philippines. I am married and I have 3 children. I have 2 sons and 1 daughter, ages 21, 13, and 10 years old. I have working experience in Hong Kong for 7 years. My duties and responsibilities are do laundry, ironing, marketing, groceries, cooking, do household chores, organize, and time management. I will also take good care of kid and I will treat her as my own kid. Bathing her, I will assist her what she needs. I cook food, nutritious food for her, and I feed her on time, playing together, and I will read book for her, send her to the school, and I will pick her up after her class. Mom and sir, I am responsible and independent person. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and honest. I may not be perfect, but I am willing to improve my skills. If you give me a chance, I take this job seriously and I will try my best to do this work. And I will promise that I will finish my 2 years contract and I will do my duties and responsibilities very well. Have a good day, Mom and Sir.